Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Khan's kitchen. So today we will be making a quick chutney recipe. So we've got one full handful of coriander. So you know the full bunch that you get. I'm going to put, it's been washed and we've taken the main bottom parts of the stalks off. So I'm just kind of going to shove that in there. Then over here I've got 5 chilies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to chuck that in there as well. I've got 1 whole tomato and I've just taken the top off. I'm just going to quickly roughly chop it up and chuck it in there. And I've got 2 pieces of garlic that I'm going to quickly just peel and put in. So I've put 2 pieces of garlic in there as well. Now we're going to put 1 heaped teaspoon of salt. You can use any salt of your own choice. I'm just using Himalayan pink salt. And that's it. So I'm going to put the lid. Oh, I need a splash of water as well. Right, so you just add literally a little splash of water. Just so it helps the coriander kind of blend together. And put your top on your blender. And blend it up. Right, so as you can see, it's all blended really well. So we don't need it into like a, let me show you how I like it, what consistency I like in it. I'm just going to take that out. So this is the consistency you need. So you don't want it to be like watery, you need it to be a bit thick. And then we will add the yogurt now. I'm just going to put it into another bowl and add the yogurt. Guys, so as I said, this is the consistency you need. So it's blended really well, but it's a little bit chunky. Can you see that? I just wanted to show you a bit better. I'm going to pour some of that in here. And then I'm going to add my yogurt. Right, so for this recipe, any natural yogurt will be fine, but the best one I love is Pakiza, because it just gives it that really nice, I don't know, it just gives it a different lovely flavour. So I'm just going to add some yogurt to it now. I'm going to add a little bit and then I'm going to mix it and see if I need any more. I think we're going to need a bigger bowl. We might be okay actually.
Is it that thick?
Right, guys, so that's the texture. You can add a bit of milk. I might actually add a little splash of milk just to thin it down slightly. Bear with me. Right, I'm just going to add a little splash of milk just to kind of loosen it up a bit. Mix it in. Right, can you see the consistency now? That is perfect. So when you're picking something up, for example, give me one. So if you're, for example, when you're eating chutney, I hate it when it drips off whatever you're eating. So when you're picking some up, can you see it just stays on whatever you're eating? Whereas when you have it really runny, it just drips off. So that's the thickness that I prefer to have. So whatever you're eating, it literally stays on the dish. But yeah, that is a really quick little chutney recipe that I have shared with you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more yummy recipes like this. And inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.